Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we're going to talk about lifestyle, DIY, fashion, budgeting, and traveling. On this video, we're going to be doing my weekly planner for the month of, actually it's the last week of June, so stay tuned. Okay guys, sorry about the lighting. Right now it's raining crazy outside, so I don't have any natural light. Let me just get the camera over a little bit. And you're going to see a shadow in the background. Because I'm using like a light to light up this area. So yeah, let's get right into it. So for the first category of my family, we're going to be using these stickers I printed off of Etsy. So I'm going to go and take out the last week's. It is the last week of June, you guys. We're halfway through the year. Okay, so let me just like get situated. Okay, so we're gonna be changing the spread to this birthday spread for my daughter's birthday. So her birthday is June 30th, which is almost a lot like the last day of the month. So we're gonna be doing this spread right here. I'm gonna cut this out and then we will go ahead and decorate it. So I'm gonna fast forward this part, so stay tuned. Okay, so I had to change over to voiceover because the kids and the dogs were very loud again. Anyways, so for Monday, June 27th, I need to take Tara, which is my daughter, to her job. She's actually volunteering at her stepmom's daycare. So this whole week she's going to be volunteering and I need to just take her there. Also, I need to pick up some decorations from the shop for Tatiana's party for this week. So we're gonna do cake and ice cream on Thursday, and then we're gonna celebrate, like go somewhere on Sunday. So I need to make sure I pick up that. And I know on Wednesday, Tatiana's stepmom also purchased a cake. We're gonna be doing cake and ice cream at their dad's house. So I'm gonna pick up the cake and ice cream from the place that we normally get their cakes from. And then I'll take it to drop it off at their dad's house. So Thursday, June 30th is her birthday, Tatiana's birthday, and we're gonna do a birthday dinner and cake and ice cream. And then on July 1st, it's actually Trinity's, which is my oldest daughter's. It's her last day of summer school, and I know she is ecstatic about that. And then just on the weekends, Saturday, June 2nd, me and the girls are going tubing. And then on Sunday, June 3rd, like I said, we're going to be celebrating Tatiana's birthday. So that is going to be all for this week. So I'm going to skim through this section of my planner, which is my budget section. I do have another video that I go into detail of like my budget and my cash stuffing. So just stay tuned for those videos and be on the lookout. Here I'm just going to be marking what I have already paid for that week, which is pretty much everything. The week's already over, so I really didn't have much expense at the end of the month. So now I'm going to be diving into the wellness section of my planner. Last week when I was in Texas, I did a lot of walking, a lot of sightseeing. I walked around our warehouse, up and down it, around it, over and under it. So I got a lot of my steps in that way, and from sightseeing, honestly. Like, we were out just exploring Dallas, so that was very easy to accomplish. So this week, going into a new week in the end of the month, it's a little bit more simple. So I'm just gonna lay out just some of the stuff here. I'm gonna fast forward this part, and then I'll come back and explain what I have planned. and I want to beat those steps that I did last week. So I'm going to be placing it here. Also, I want to try the HIIT workout. I want to do at least 3 days of HIIT. I'm not going to go really crazy this week on working out because one, on Thursday, it is my daughter's birthday. And then two, it's just I'm very exhausted already from last week. I do want to do a weigh-in. I have not done a weigh-in all month long. So on the left-hand side, I circled weigh-in. I just want to see how much I weigh and where I'm at. I also want to start doing night walks. It's getting so hot out here in Arizona and Phoenix that even at nighttime it's hot, but I'm going to just, commit myself to a night walk at least on Friday night. I am going to be going tubing on Saturday, so I'm very excited about that. Other than that, it's going to be like a pretty chill week. I'm still going to be checking and clocking my water intake, but other than that, that's going to be it. Okay, so lastly in this binder, it's going to be the girls' party. So I always go back here just to make sure I'm on track on paying things off and planning everything in order so I don't forget anything. So here is the month of June's calendar. I've already paid these things right here. So the girls' hall, the dance teacher, I paid already. So I'm going to be checking all of my contracts in the back just to confirm that everything else is on track and making sure that I am where I need to be. So now that I have everything updated and changed back here, I am on track, and I know that when I get another paycheck, I know what I need to be paying for and stuff. So I'm going to place this back here. Other than that, that completes my Frankenstein planner. If you guys like videos like this, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye guys.